What's going on, guys? It's Dozer here with my first VR video. Today I'm going to be suggesting 3 free VR games for the MetaQuest, at least the MetaQuest 2, not sure about the Quest 3. So first up, the first game we have is Scary Baboon. This game is basically a copy of Gorilla Tag, except it's just scary version. It's got same movement, same character designs, except instead of trying to just tag people like in Gorilla Tag, you just run away and avoid the monsters. I really like this game because I think it adds a new perspective of Gorilla Tag. Instead of just trying to objectively tag each other, you're working together and running away from the monsters. In the background, we do have gameplay for each game that I am going to be covering, so you guys can check it out for yourselves. This game does have an in-game shop where obviously you could spend money just like Gorilla Tag. So, it's kind of just the same thing as Gorilla Tag, except you're just running away from monsters. The map in this game it's pretty big and it's really fun to explore. For the monsters, there's about 5 different types of monsters. When they do kill you, you do get a jump scare, which there are jump scares in this clip. And your body can go flying and there's blood. And I think it's really cool that it has gore in it, just for a VR game. For our next game, we have Bigballers VR. This VR game includes sports as basketball, football, baseball. You can do laser tag, dodgeball, blade ball. Those are some of its highlights and different sports you can do, but I think its main focus is its basketball game modes. The basketballs are really easy to use. It's really easy to dunk. It's easy to shoot. And I think that this part of the game is really good. For other game modes, you have baseball, which it's a lot harder to do because it's just a bunch of little kids messing around, and it's really hard to actually play an actual game of baseball. One of the other things I want to talk about is blade ball. It's basically where you have like a laser sword and you have to hit a ball when it turns red. I think it's a really cool concept because it's literally laser swords and hitting balls. So that is it for this game. Let's move on to the next. For our last game, we have No Clip VR. It's a free Backrooms VR with 4 free levels. You have level 0, the Habitable Zone, Pipe Dreams, and level Fun. Unfortunately, for the rest of the levels, you do have to pay $10. But there's also an extra game mode called Entity Tag, where you start off as just a regular player, and then you turn into a monster if you get tagged by somebody who is a monster. There is another game mode, I'm not sure what it is, but you also have to pay the $10 to unlock it, unfortunately, called the Supporter Pack. So basically in this game, you have to use your arms to run, which you'll see in a minute. Or you could turn it off and just use your controllers, but where's the fun in that? Here we go. See, you have to use your arms to run. We do have a bunch of skins. 2 of them you have to pay for with the supporter pack, and the rest of them you could buy with coins, which you can either buy with real money or earn every day. You also have a lot of cosmetics you can use, which are neat and cool, but it takes a while to get them if you're trying to not spend any money. And we have this mirror where you can check out your player. That's what the base default player looks like. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you guys go check out these games and support the developers. Some of these are really good. Please make sure to like and subscribe so I can keep doing more content. See ya in the next one.